Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've had not a lot, but I have a couple people asking me, when I'm gonna make another video, and this is my life update slash why I haven't been making videos. So basically I've started my new job, and I haven't had, the time I've been asleep. To be honest, I've been extremely tired from a new job, and honestly, I feel like I kind of forgot how hot it is in Georgia. Like, I don't know how, because I lived in Georgia my entire life, but every time, like, sometimes I like to try out hairstyles before I actually, make a video about it. So every time I would try something out with my hair, either it doesn't come out right, or the humidity gets to it, and then the heat, and then I'm just like, oh, get it off my face, get it out my neck. Like, my hair has been aggravating me. So literally all I've been wearing my hair is in puffs, or I'll do twists and put it in a ponytail. And right now, as you can see, I'm just rocking two big cornrows, and I got it pinned up in the back. Kind of sort of like a cute little hairstyle. I slick down my edges, which you guys know I don't always do. Just to kind of keep it all neat and my hair is not flying everywhere. Just a little protective style. And this is really all I've been doing to my hair. Because my hair has been so dry and because it's been so hot, like, literally my hair will be super moisturized when I leave the house. A couple days later, it'll be extremely dry. And you guys know I like to go a week between washes, but because of how dry it is, I have upped my wash day. I'll wash my hair twice a week now. Like, I'll shampoo it one day, and then the next time I wash, I know this is gonna sound crazy for me, I did a co-wash. I really have this really nice co-wash that I posted about it on Instagram just to say I was going to do a review on it. But I'm definitely going to make a video about it probably today. A lot of videos are going to be made today because I have the time, I have the energy. So, yeah. So, oh snap. Hold on 1 second. Hello? Alright, I'm back. Long phone call. So yeah, that's basically all that's been going on with me. It wasn't intentional. I haven't really felt the energy to do it. I haven't really been on social media. Really, if you follow me on any of my social medias, go. So yeah, that's basically all that's in me. Be prepared for your timeline, all timelines, to be blown up by me talking about, hey, I posted a new video, or hey, check out this and everything. I'm trying to keep this energy going, compile videos all at once if I can, and just put these videos out for you guys. I was really sad that I didn't feel like posting videos, that I was too tired to post videos, that I wasn't posting videos, but hey, now is the time. It's close to my birthday. If you are already subscribed to my, I don't want to call it a vlog channel, I'm gonna call it my other channel, because it's everything: reaction videos, vlogs, sit down videos, whatever I feel like, however I choose to express myself. Basically, it's an everything kind of channel. It's a little bit of everything, a little bit of something for everybody. So yeah, definitely go subscribe. I'll try to remember to put the link down the link down below. So yeah, I hope you guys will continue to support me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to subscribe to my channel, even in my absence. I really love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.